How to turn face into anime face using your iPhone, iPad or Android. Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me. This is a very easy tutorial, so now without wasting any second, let's jump right into the video. So let's head over now to Capcut, and over here just tap on new project, and I'll go and choose this images. I just downloaded from Pixabay, add 3. Okay, and now if you want to change to turn this this photo into an anime using Capcut, that's what you need to do, is to select this image, and now here in this tools menu we have style. Don't go to adjust or filter or animation, you need to go to style. And here in style, guys, you have a lot of gray styles that are pretty useful. And here what you need to do is to go to the first effect style over here and tab on it. Actually, that's not that one, sorry. It's this one. Anime, we also have this one, anime face. And we also have manga face right here. If you don't like manga, you can use the anime or comic or cartoonish or 3D cartoon. But yeah, that's how you add an effect. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.